guys, I hope you guys are doing well and you are safe at your home. In this really short video, I'm going to show you how my day looks like in Italy, like a normal day, or you can say a student's day looks like in Italy. Before starting off this video, I would like to say a big thank you to Videsh Consultancy through which I came here. I came here through the Bangalore Videsh Consultancy, and I must say I didn't find any difficulty while all the procedure right from the admission to coming here. Even now, if I call them and ask anything to them, they are ready to help me at the spot. I must say thank you again to Videsh Consultancy. Now in this video I'm going to show you right from starting how I start my day, how I go to my university. I'll show you outside from the university. I can't go inside because since it is exams are going on and classes are usually booked, and then we go inside, and then I'll show you a short video of a canteen where I take my lunch, and then I'll show you students residence where the students are staying. Since I don't stay there because I graduated last year, you all guys know that I had to leave the residencies very after my graduation, and since then I'm living outside. एंड हाँ, थोड़े बहुत लाइफ यहाँ की बताऊँगी कि कैसे जाती है. अगर थोड़ा टाइम मिलता है तो वी गो आउट एंड वी स्पेंड एंड वी एंजॉय आवरसेल्व्स. So without wasting further more time, let's just start with this video.
So this is how the Novara looks like, where I stay and where my university is. So this is my university, and my university is located in Novara. I did my course in medical biotechnology, and there are many different courses going on in my university. You can search it on Google. My university name is University of Eastern Piedmont, which is located in Novara, as I mentioned. And this is students canteen, where usually I take my lunch. And once you take admission in this university, you will be provided with the identity card that is nothing but a smart card, which can be reloaded with the money. And here the price for the entire meal is 1.80, which is okay. And usually the students come here and take the lunch because it is in less price. So this is how the university residence looks like, and it consists of a bathroom, a small passage where you can store your all shoes and all, and you would be provided with one room, a single room. And this is how the rooms look like. And if you get enough credit, you would be provided with the university residence, where you don't need to pay anything for staying there up till 9 months. And this is a small clip of my graduation. I graduated digitally last year's
exam. Because of the powers that I have conferred to me, in the name of the Italian people, I proclaim you Doctor Magistralis in Medical Biotechnologies.
And these are some pictures of my graduation. You can have a look. I did my thesis in human genetics lab in my university, and that's my team. And since I stay in the northern part of Italy, We are fortunate to have a snowfall, and due to this lockdown, I feel that there was a less global warming, and due to that, we had a good amount of snowfall in my city. This is some pictures of Milan and Genoa, which I went after my graduation and when there was a little bit ease in the lockdown. And for now, I'm doing my internship in physiology lab, and this is a small clip of that.
I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if you feel so, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment and share your views, what you think about this. Okay,